Now let's understand the concept of merge or appending queries. Think of two spreadsheets. Merge is like matching rows side by side using a common column, just like this. The column common, similar to joining customer details with their sales record. Append is like stacking one spreadsheet on the top of other, just like this, right? They are kind of stacked on one on the top of other, combining rows from both into a single list. Merge is best for relational joins where data needs to be connected. Append is perfect when datasets share the same structure and must be consolidated into one table. I'll see you in our next lecture.